Hello students, today is Wednesday and we're going to read about a story about money. So here on the very top you will see the words. So these are the vocabs that we are going to learn or read. So here groceries. So when we see groceries, it's about like things that we buy at the grocery shop or store. Money is what we use to buy stuff, to buy those things, and wash is like when we wash our hands, like that. Earn, earn means something that you have to get, or if you want something, then you have to do something about it. Paid is like when you work on something and then you get paid. And then work is like, you work, you work can be a job, work can be something that you do at home, like cleaning, doing exercise. There's like energy, working out, um, burning down energies, right? Or calories. Okay, so now we will have a story about money is funny. So this one, money is funny. So Mary saw her mom spend money on groceries. She saw her dad spend monies on new tools. That all seemed funny to Mary. So again, Mary saw that her mom spent money to buy groceries, and then she saw her dad spend money to buy new tools, right? Tools can be things that we use to fix something. And then it seemed funny to Mary. So Mary thought that that's funny that my mom used the money to buy grocery and my dad used the money to buy tools. Money is just green paper, Mary thought. Why do people give my parents grocery and tools for green paper? So Mary thought was she was thinking like, money is just a green paper. Money is just a green paper. And then why do people give my parents groceries and tools for green paper? So why did the people, the sales lady or the cashier gives my mom all the grocery using this green paper? So she was wondering. Mary took out her big box of crayons. She colored some paper green. She took her green paper to the toy store in town. So, like, Mary was thinking, money is just a green paper right here, right? But then, so she decided to make her own money. So she took her box of crayons and then she picked up the color green and color a paper, some paper green. So she took her green paper to the toy store in town. So after making a money, like paper and color it with green crayon, she went to the store in town. And then she said, I want to buy a toy, Mary declared. Here is some green paper. So she went to the store and then showed the cashier her paper, which she colored green, right? And then the lady at the store said, sorry, that's not real money. It's just green paper. So it's a fake, it's not a real money because it's only a paper and then she colored it with green. Mary asked her dad about money. So Mary was asking, Dad, what is money? So her dad said, so he said that money was a special type of green paper. So money is just like an ordinary paper. It's like made of a very special type of paper. He also said you have to go to work to earn money. Um, so again, what's her name? Mary asked her dad about money, right? So and then because at first she thought that it's only a green paper, and she thinks it's funny that when her mom and her dad bought something, they used the green paper. So she thought that the money is only a green paper, but actually money is a special type of green paper. And in order to have that money, you have to work. So her dad said, you have to go to work to earn money. That is the only green paper you can spend. So the real money you can spend, but the fake ones, no, you cannot. And if you use fake ones, and you want to buy, if you are using fake ones and you want to buy it to the store, then you will be in trouble, right? So some people now, they're really like not good because they make fake money, right? And sometimes if the cashiers are not careful, then they might think that the fake one is real, because sometimes they look real, but no, it's not real. So, can I work? So Mary said, can I work and earn some money? Mary asked. Yes, said her dad. Wash the car and I will pay you. So, in order for Mary to earn money, is that she has to clean the car. And then after that, her dad will pay her some money for cleaning the car. So Mary washed the car and got paid $6. So she got how much her dad paid her to clean the car, to wash the car? $6, right? She went back to the store and bought a toy. Now she knows why her mother and dad work for money, because nowadays we use money to buy stuff, to buy food, to buy groceries, to buy toys, and many other. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. That will be all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.